Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome back to the garage. Today's video is going to be a basic overview of your car's electrical system. I get a lot of questions on electrical. I just need a video to send you to rather than trying to answer them one by one. Let's get started. Before we start diagnosing an automotive electrical problem, let's take a look at the basic things an electrical circuit needs to operate. First, you need a good battery. If your battery is weak, discharged, or failing, your circuit may not operate properly, and your test results, they'll be misleading. If your battery is 12.2 volts or lower, recharge your battery and test it with a battery tester. I have a couple of videos on this, and I'll put a link to those in the description. Once you determine your battery is good and your voltage is 12.4 volts or better, then you can properly test your electrical system. All electrical systems start with the battery. I put together a short, basic animation video to help you understand automotive electrical systems. Remember, we start with the battery. Next, you'll have the electrical component that you want to operate. For this demonstration, I'm using a fan motor. The fan motor is connected into the circuit with wires. These provide a path for electrical current to flow from the positive side of the battery through the fan motor and back to the negative or ground side of the battery. Next, you need a way to protect the circuit. Too much current that flows through the circuit, the wires can overheat and potentially cause a fire. This is the job of the fuse. If the current becomes too high, the fuse opens the circuit, stopping the current flowing and protecting the wiring and component. Finally, you need a way to turn on and off the circuit. This is the job of the switch. With the switch open, the circuit is incomplete. Current cannot flow and the fan remains off. Close the switch and the circuit is complete. Current can flow through the circuit and the fan turns on. Basic idea, power, component, and ground is the foundation of almost every automotive circuit. I hope you learned something in today's basic overview of an electrical system. Obviously, there's computers, there's transistors, there's relays. This was very basic so you can understand the electrical system flow. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'll put links to other videos in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.